Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be talking about fruits and some of the fruits benefits. And guys, I'm going to be talking about some fruits that I am not too familiar with, and you may also not be too familiar with others, right? You can't say you love someone if you don't love yourself. So self-love, I strongly believe in self-love. First, you love yourself. Ways in which you can love yourself is, through proper diet. Love is caring. Love is being understanding. Love is being considerate. Right? So, self-love is what the topic I just want to hit on. Love is not only about being intimate or it doesn't have to be, well, intimacy could be in many. Love doesn't have to be having a partner, right? You don't have to have a partner to say you love yourself first, because a lot of people use the word love and they don't understand truly what love is. Okay, because some people don't love themselves, but yet they can tell you that they love you. Okay, so love first comes from within you. You have to love yourself by eating properly, taking care of yourself mentally, physically, and doing what's right in God's eyes, right? And guys, like I'm not sure what kind of Bible you read, but the Bible says love is patient, love is kind. Like, what do you think? Like, other than the Bible stating that, do you honestly think that love is, are those things? Okay guys, so you can comment down below and let me know what your interpretation of love is. Okay, so let's get on to showing you the fruits I have here in the background. Okay guys, no one is happy at all times, guys, or we're not always the best version of ourselves. Okay, and we all have moods, but we should always be aware or be mindful of our mental, or we should always be mindful of our emotional state. Okay guys, we should forgive ourselves. Okay, we should take time for ourselves. That is very important. We should get enough sleep. Okay, we should also exercise and eat right. And a lot of us guys, we tend to say we're too busy for ourselves, but we should always set aside time for ourselves. So we should keep learning, continue to learn, continue to learn more and more every day, because learning never ends. Okay, everything is not going to be handed to us on a silver platter. We have to learn to help ourselves by doing our research. Questions that pops up in your head, you go online and try to find the answer, because you call a friend or you call someone, they might not have the answer or they might not be available. So which is why online has its positivity. You go there, you Google in whatever answer. It's not like way back in the days you could not go online to find, or you have to go to the library. Okay, so these are some ways we can love ourselves. So guys, comment down below. So guys, I'm excited to share with you the wide variety of fruits. Okay, with Valentine's Day coming up, these things makes me glow. And with this being the food channel, I'm just gonna stick to fruits. Okay, these are some of the fruits that makes me glow. Please comment down below and let me know if you feel the same way. Fruits and vegetables I do love, but I'm going to be focusing on fruits. And let me so guys, okay, for the pineapple, I have a video on pineapple, and I like this kind of pineapple. Okay, pineapple looking like this. That color is good. When it's too green, like here, no. The majority of it should be, or you know, yellow. I love pineapple. I love strawberry. And guys, I'm sticking to organic. A lot of people don't believe that you are truly getting organic in the stores, but okay guys, let's say for example it truly is organic. Like, why would you not spend the extra dollar to buy organic, right? Because they say these things, there are certain things, for example, from this area here, strawberry, the raspberry, grapes over there, blackberry, and blueberries, guys. Like these things, these type of fruits, you should try to buy them in the organic form, because I suppose when they spray the chemicals, these things, it's easier for the chemical to go through these fruits because they're thin skin, right? That's what the scientists are saying. So the choice is yours. You know, the choice is yours. Whatever choice you want to make when shopping, like nobody can force you to. But I feel more comfortable and more at peace buying organic, and I don't mind spending the extra dollar. And I am hoping that I'm getting my money's worth. You know, non-organic, I'm hoping that this, for example, this strawberry here package should not have strawberries that are not organic, while I'm paying for organic. That's what I'm trying to say. But you know, we have to trust what's been put out there. And you know, with people being able to open these things, guys, yeah, it's possible that someone could put a strawberry inside that is not organic, which is why I think they should be sealed. They should be sealed more. And at the end, I'm gonna go into those you know, with Valentine's Day, I'm gonna be showing you those things I picked up for Valentine's. On this tray here, I have a wide variety of apples. It's mostly apples on this tray, and I try to pick up as much as I have access to show you the different kinds of apples that are out there. So let me get back to this. Over here I have the pineapple. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay guys, this is organic strawberry, organic blackberry, and these produce, guys, they have a lot of phytonutrient, which is good for you. And that's raspberry. These things I like to put in my smoothie, and that's blueberry. I love blueberry. I could just eat blueberry just the way it is. And these are all, well, the pineapple is not organic, but the berries are organic. And this is grape, the red grape. And over here, I'm gonna do let me get into this bowl I have here. This is dragon fruit. That's organic cucumber. I like to use it in juicing. And I have orange here. I love oranges. They're juicy. And this is dragon fruit. I'm not too familiar with this one, the dragon fruit. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with it, but I think I tried it once, but I picked it up so you guys can see it. And this is spice mango. I love spice mango. They're sweet. They're from the Caribbean. These are small ones. They come bigger, but that for now, that was the ones they had in the store. And this is granadilla, guys. Granadilla. Yeah. And this is, as you know, is organic bananas, which I feel comfortable, and I enjoy it more, guys. I taste the difference in the organic in comparison to the regular ones. I'm not sure about you. Comment down below and let me know if you taste the difference in the organic. This is, wow, I love avocado. I glow. when I get avocado. I glue when I get oranges. I never liked I never really liked the taste of papaya, guys, but I get to love it. I love this color papaya. Yeah, I like when it's that color. This is perfect, right? So I like to blend my papaya. It's kind of like, you know, mango texture. All these fruits I'm showing you are very healthy. They're good for you. It's a plus. You would not regret it. And this is ginger, which is good when adding it. Ginger, you put in so many things. You put it in when cooking your meat, in your juice, your salad. And this is kiwi. Okay, kiwi. This is red plum. Lemon, as you all know. Lime. These things are good for juicing. And also when cooking. This is it looks like a, yeah, this is Granny Smith. See guys, the Granny Smith apple, and that's a code on the Granny Smith apple. And this is Honeycrisp apple. I'm gonna get into all the apples here. This is I think what, ambrosia. Yeah, that's the ambrosia apple. This is the pink lady. Yeah, that's a pink lady apple, guys. I try to pick up a wide variety. I suppose there's much more different kinds of apple, but I picked up the ones that I have access to. This is the jazz apple, and the red delicious. Yeah, the red delicious, golden delicious. I used to see these in Jamaica, the golden delicious, red delicious. And this is my favorite, guys. Like, this is like, I mean, there's some stores I go into, they are very big and juicy, and you know, the color of the pineapple or the papaya showed you like a more orange color, or they're kind of more, you know, like the color like this, the mango, and they're very sweet. My favorite is the golden delicious, but they say that the Granny Smith is best for you because it's less sugar. So when juicing, I don't mind using the Granny Smith, but just to eat off the bat like that, I rather have the golden delicious in summertime. And this is a pear. Okay guys, this is pear, and this is apple. This is Fuji apple. Okay, the Fuji apples, they come in this wrapper here, and this is red pear. This red pear. Red pear I'm not too familiar with. The red pear I'm not too familiar with. The dragon fruit I'm not too familiar with, and the grenadille I'm not too familiar with. And this I love. This reminds me of sugar cane. It's kind of sweet, and the texture is somewhat like sugar cane. This is Boss Pear, B-O-S-C, Boss Pear. This is Macintosh apple. Okay guys, so I'm sure you people from the United States or the UK have access to these. I would assume you have access to these apples. And this is a Honeycrisp. Not sure if I showed you before. And guys, another thing that makes me glow is plants. I love plants. Like this type of plant, guys. Oh yeah, I love this plant. These plants do good indoor. Okay guys, so let me see if I can tell you the benefits of some of these fruits and vegetables. Okay guys, so these are all apples, and apples are nutritious. Apples has fiber, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K, and apples are also a rich source of polyphenols. To get the most out of apples, you should leave the skin on. It contains half of the fiber and many of the polyphenols. Apples are good for weight loss. Apples may be good for your heart. They're linked to a lower risk of diabetes. They may have prebiotic effects and promote good gut bacteria. Substances in apples may help prevent cancer. Apples contain compounds that help fight asthma. Apples may be good for bone health. Apples may protect against stomach injury. Apples may help protect your brain. Okay, so we should always make sure whenever we're eating, guys, majority of what we eat helps our brain, because brain health is very important. Now, guys, let's talk about berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, strawberry, blackberry, and grapes. Would grape be a berry, guys? Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the benefits, the reasons why berries are among the healthiest foods on earth. They're loaded with antioxidants. Okay, berries contain antioxidants, which helps keep free radicals under control. Free radicals are unstable molecules that are beneficial in small amounts but can damage your cells when their numbers get too high, causing oxidative stress. Berries are a great source of antioxidants such as anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and one study showed that blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries have the highest antioxidant activity of commonly consumed fruits, next to pomegranate. Also, berries may help improve blood sugar and insulin response. They are high in fiber. The raspberry, the blackberry, the strawberries, the blueberries. They provide many nutrients. They provide vitamin C, manganese, vitamin K, copper, folate. They help fight inflammation. They may help lower cholesterol levels. May be good for your skin. Not maybe, guys. I think they are good for your skin. May help protect against cancer. Well, maybe could mean they may be good for your skin if you're having the organic and opposed to the regular kind. But I suppose, guys, if you can't afford organic, you know, you wash the regular ones carefully, right? Wash them carefully. And don't be scared, like something is better than nothing. Wash them in if it's not the organic ones, wash them in maybe baking soda or baking soda or vinegar. And berries can be enjoyed on nearly all types of diets. They may help keep your arteries healthy. So, guys, now let's talk about bananas. Bananas contain a fair amount of fiber as well as several antioxidants. Bananas contains potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, manganese, fiber, protein, fat, the good fat. Bananas contain nutrients that moderate blood sugar levels. Bananas may improve digestive health. Bananas may aid weight loss. Bananas may support heart health. Bananas contain powerful antioxidants. Bananas may help you feel more full. Unripe bananas may improve insulin sensitivity. Bananas may improve kidney health. Bananas may have benefits for exercise. Bananas are easy to add to your diet. The bottom line, bananas are a popular fruit that happens to provide numerous health benefits. Among other things, they may boost digestive and heart health due to their fiber and antioxidant content. and they may even aid weight loss as they are relatively low calorie and nutrient dense. Ripe bananas are a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth. What's more, both yellow and green bananas can keep you healthy and feeling full. So now let's talk about the dragon fruit here, guys. Dragon fruit, also called pitaya, or strawberry pear, is a tropical fruit that grows on a type of cactus. It originally grew in Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, Australia, Florida, and other tropical and subtropical areas. Today, dragon fruit is cultivated in many other regions of the world. The fruit is famous for its red peel and its black, crunchy seeds that taste like nuts. Dragon fruit has a rich profile of nutrients that are responsible for its many health benefits. In fact, in some quarters, dragon fruit is referred to as a superfood. Dragon fruit is very rich in antioxidants, especially betalains that have the ability to fight oxidative stress and cancers. According to some studies, it is also rich in vitamin C and carotenoids, which are essential for good health. The health benefits: number one, dragon fruit improves immune function. Your immune system is responsible for fighting infections and recovery from disease. Its capability to carry out this role depends on many factors, the key among them being your intake of essential nutrients like vitamin A and C, minerals like zinc, and various antioxidants. Including foods rich in these micronutrients helps keep your immune system in tip-top working conditions so that it can keep you free from illness. On the other hand, if your diet is low in these essential micronutrients, your immune system will face a lot of challenges in keeping you healthy. Dragon fruit is a rich source of vitamin C and carotenoids, which the body can convert to vitamin A. It is also rich in minerals and antioxidant compounds. This combination makes dragon fruit a great supporter for your immune system. Health benefit number 2, dragon fruit improves digestion. Eating high fiber foods is better than taking the fiber as supplements. Dragon fruit is rich in fiber, and also there are no specific studies to this effect. Health benefit number 3, the dragon fruit improves gut health. Number 4, the dragon fruit is rich in nutrients. Number 5, dragon fruit prevents chronic disease. So overall, what I'm trying to say is that the dragon fruit is good for us. The dragon fruit prevents anemia. It helps to prevent anemia. And the dragon fruit helps prevent acne, which are pimples, right? The dragon fruit prevents birth defects. It helps to prevent birth defects. It helps to improve your vision. And it improves bone and teeth health. So guys, this is the kiwi. The kiwis are high in vitamin C and dietary fiber and provides a variety of health benefits. This tart fruit can support heart health, digestive health, and immunity. The kiwi is a healthy choice of fruit and is rich with vitamins and antioxidants. That's a kiwi. Now we're touching on the papaya. And here are 8 health benefits of papaya. Papayas are delicious and loaded with nutrients. Papaya is a fruit of the Carica papaya plant. Papaya has powerful antioxidant effects. Papaya has anti-cancer properties. Papaya may improve heart health. Papayas may fight inflammation. Papayas may improve digestion. Papayas protect against skin damage, and they are delicious and versatile. And this papaya I'm going to be enjoying, guys. I love this papaya. I love the way it looks. And now let me talk about the cucumber. This is an organic cucumber. You can tell your organic produce, guys. It has a number 9. The ones that are not organic doesn't have the 9 there. Okay, the number 9 here. If it doesn't have the number 9, it's just regular. It's not organic. So then let's talk about the cucumber. So guys, cucumbers are high in nutrients. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers contains antioxidants. It promotes hydration. It may aid in weight loss. It may lower blood sugar. It could promote regularity. And it's easy to add to your diet. And it's watery, guys. Okay, it's watery. Most of it is watery, which is good. So guys, some of the health benefits of the pear. The pear is highly nutritious, and it may promote gut health, contain beneficial plant compounds, have anti-inflammatory properties, may offer anti-cancer effects, linked to a lower risk of diabetes, may boost heart health, may help you lose weight. May help you lose weight. So guys, the Asian pears are a great source of dietary fiber, which helps the digestive system maintain a healthy level of good bacteria and can help regulate cholesterol. Asian pears are also an excellent source of potassium, vitamin C. Okay, so as you can see, these fruits and vegetables are very good for you, and such is your lemon and your lime that we use every day to put in our water. Okay guys, and the avocado, which is one of my favorites. Okay, the benefits of avocado must be talked about. So guys, avocado is a unique fruit. Avocado is high in healthy fats. Okay, and here are 12 benefits of avocado that 12 benefits of avocado. Avocado is incredible. Avocado is incredibly nutritious. Avocado has vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B, vitamin 6, vitamin B, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin E. They contain more potassium than bananas. Avocado is loaded with heart healthy monosaturated fatty acids. Avocados are loaded with fiber. Eating avocados can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. People who eat avocados tend to be healthier. Their fat content may help you absorb nutrients from plant foods. Avocados are loaded with powerful antioxidants that can protect your eyes. Avocado may help prevent cancer. Avocado extract may help relieve symptoms of arthritis. Eating avocados may help you to lose weight. Avocado is delicious and easy to incorporate in your diet. I love these in salads and just the way they are, guys. And avocado is a must in my diet. And as you know, ginger, as we all know, ginger is good for you guys. And oranges, you know, its juiciness. And I think I did go over most of everything here, guys. I'm trying to hurry this video. I don't want to make it too long, so I'm just gonna go into the Valentine's chocolate. While we eat healthy, guys, sometimes, you know, we splurge on, you know, certain occasions. It's Valentine's is coming up, and I picked these up. Okay, you can treat yourself, guys. Okay, you can treat yourself to your Valentine gift. Someone doesn't have to buy it for you. We talk about self-love. Okay, self-love is very important. And guys, these fruits and vegetables, I'm going to try them and try and make smoothies so you can see how I put them to use. Okay, and this is not another Ferrero Rocher. I love Ferrero Rocher, the hazelnut. I love these things. Like, on occasion, nothing is wrong with eating, and I don't find the Ferrero Rocher to be so sweet. You know, when you bite into them, they're not so sweet. They're nuts on the inside, and I love nuts. Yeah, and these things I love, and this is just a can I had, like, you know, it's empty, guys, but I bought something in it like maybe 2 years ago from Walmart. And like things like these, you don't just eat the whatever is inside and throw it away, guys. Why would you do that, huh? Because when you buy these things, you pay for the container. You know, the person that designed this and stuff like that, their work went into it. So I don't think whatever I paid for was just the chocolate that came in it. I paid for their work, which I think looks good. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. And my plant over there, as I said, these things makes me glow. Okay, plants and fruits, especially summertime, guys. I find I gravitate to fruits more than in the winter time. But you know, you should always find time for fruits and vegetables. So guys, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone when it comes, and remember to practice self-love. Okay, guys, if you can't love, you need to love yourself first in order to, you know, show love to others, and also to love and appreciate what's in the world. So guys, comment down below, and please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.